Principles, rules, regulations, either self made or societally invented or adhered to, is not always good, productive, healthy for not only our personal innovation or our eventual transformation, self knowledge, self development, self authenticity, self respect, self discipline, control. Principles can be bad, counterproductive for all those ends, and also for the achievement of our other societal outside ambitions and desires and aims and intentions into our lives. If we become too principled, disciplined, and rule and regulation based than is necessary, then ultimately we are not going to be able to achieve anything much or significant in our lives. We won't become great, significant, distinguished, determined, relevant, anyways. Not because we're not good enough, but because either we're too arrogant, wealthy, powerful, or more principled, disciplined, rule regulation based than is necessary, or then there is a need for us to be powerful, great, successful, authentic, disciplined, respected, or self knowledgeable, etc. So, principles are not always everything, even if they are self made, which are developed and cultivated through basically decades of hard work, pains, consistency, effort, perseverance, persistence, authenticity, etc. Then also being always principled, disciplined, or applying principles all the time, either of the individual man or woman, or adhering to obedience, agreement, conformity, or external dictates all the time, will not always result in the fruition of our goals, the achievement of our ends, the actualization of our ambitions, or we won't achieve greatness, distinction, significance, relevance in our lives either. And certainly, we won't achieve any happiness, contentment, and significant, powerful reciprocity and mutual respect and relationships and friendships into our lives because of too many principles, because of our adherence or obedience to rules, principles, regulations, critical thinking all the time, because we obey too many principles to be accepted, embraced, or loved by the others. So when we become too principled or more principled, critical, doubtful, suspicious, skeptical, critical, wise, intelligent than is necessary, then ultimately we're not able to achieve anything at all. Everything slips away, or we part ways with everything, or we start manipulating, exploiting the other's vulnerabilities, weaknesses, shortcomings, deficiencies, because we can do all that as human beings also, because we're capable of both good and evil characteristics and qualities at the same time. And that is the paradox we don't want to accept in ourselves, because we always consider ourselves as righteous, authentic. We always want to see the good in ourselves but not the bad things.